Do you know how this channel has over 2 million subscribers and earns over $1 million in a year just by posting AI-generated animal videos? First, go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Next, go to Leonardo.ai to generate images. After downloading all the AI-generated images, import them to CapCut. You can animate them with their free tools. For music, head to pixabay.com, you can find copyright-free music here. Import and add them to your timeline. Hit export. And you have it. For more videos, hit that subscribe button.